ang ating medical outreach program in partnership with the Cardinal Santos Medical Center and the Chu Chi Foundation. I would like to extend our heartfelt appreciation to our partners for making this activity possible. And to the Chu Chi Foundation, we are truly grateful for your generosity and continued commitment, especially in providing eye screenings and assistance for those with visual concerns. Maraming salamat po sa inyong malasakit at patunay na pakikiisa sa ating adhikain para sa kalusugan at kapakanan ng ating kapulisan at kanilang pamilya. Your service today is a gift of care and hope.
Philippine National Police is one of the pillar of our society, and their health is very important. If we could cooperate with them, and then we help them treat their eyes, and then they can see in person what we are doing, the compassion, no, that we show to the patients, I'm sure we could influence them.
Merong memo sa amin na magkakaroon daw ng free medical mission. So, nag-avail ako. Thank you very much kasi nalaman ko na doon akong katarak pala. Kaya nga ako pumila talaga kahit ang haba ng pila, pumila talaga ako kasi kailangan ko talaga mapacheck up yung mata ko. Precious yung magkaroon talaga tayo ng paningin. Maraming salamat sa Chu Chi.
So siguro sa dumadating yung panahon at saka sa rigors ng aming mga trabaho, it gives us that potential na magkakaroon ng health problems. In fact, I myself, no, kasi nga nagpa-practice kami, we involved the shooting. Those are the challenges sa aming mga trabaho. We really have to take care of our health from time to time. That's why ito yung kailangan namin para makapagserbisyo ng maayos. Nagpapasalamat ako sa Chu Chi, no? Eye Center, especially also sa Cardinal Hospital, no? Sa tulong ninyo, sa inyong social responsibility, not only for the public but for us as your protectors of the community.
Nagpapasalamat kami sa Chu Chi Eye Center. Of course, the funds is not enough for us to sustain itong mga project na to. And we are so lucky. Nandiyan kayo. This is not the first time. This is on the end time na ginagawa nyo.
The OLC Foundation Incorporated, kami po ay nagpapasalamat sa Chu Chi Medical Foundation Philippines for bringing the medical outreach program here in Camp Crame para makaging sila ay healthy at ang pamilya nila nakakapagtrabaho sila ng maayos.
2 to 3 months ago, medyo napansin ko yung left side lumalabo, nagbo-blurred. Pabalik-balik ako sa check-up, nalaman nila na yung left side ng mata ko nalaglag yung lens. Actually, teacher po kasi ako, kaya yun po yung talagang kailangan ko, yung mata. Pag nagtuturo, nagbabasa. Pag wala po ako talaga totally blurred, wala nang silbi yung pagtuturo. Napakalaking tulong po sa akin kung mabibigyan po talaga ako ng ganitong pagkakataon. Maraming salamat po sa Chu Chi. Sana po talaga matuloy na yung operations. Talagang gagamitin ko po sa habang buhay na po ito. Malaking pasalamat ko po.
Isa